special guest for this evening, let us welcome the members of the Knights in Motion. Palakpakan po natin to back up our guest for this evening, Mr. Wawid Guzman, Brian Yalun, Sin Larry. Come on, let's go! Yes! What's ready? Ladies and gentlemen on stage, the original members of Knights in Motion, Batch 1 and Batch 2. Sila ang simula ng mga dance groups dito sa mga bebe. It was year 1993. And definitely it's a throwback.
Y'all.
Talking about the dance craze of the 90s.
Try to tell you what I feel inside. What's the feeling that you ain't fake, baby? When you were all about. Wait a minute, can't you see that comprehend?
Gusto niyo ba?
Ladies and gentlemen,
Come on, let's go!
3 seconds. Once again, let's welcome the Universal Motion.
Let me see y'all dance. Everybody, everybody just clap your hands. Let me see y'all
Clap your hands, everybody.
clap your hands to the beat. Let me see y'all dance. Everybody, everybody just clap your hands. Let me see y'all
Clap your hands, everybody.
clap your hands to the beat. It's gonna get hot, just another day. I'm gonna shout and I'm on my way. I thought that you were my coffee and ice. Gonna tell you, I can't believe my eyes. Standing there, I think
Lights in Motion na kasama natin. Let us have a group picture. We have our official photographer for this evening. Creative Media, Event Center by Management. Image Line Studio for our live feed. Maraming salamat, Sir Jodel. Mga kaibigan, the Lights in Motion group began performing at the Knights Christmas Party in 1993. All members are also Knights of the Altar.